Welcome back to the McCall's baking channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a very fancy, elaborate gingerbread house that will wow all your guests this holiday season. It isn't hard to make this beautiful house when you follow the easy instructions in this video and grab all your supplies from McCall's. You'll have the perfect house built and decorated in no time. Let's get started. You will need a 9-inch McCall's gingerbread house kit and light blue McCall's melting chocolate wafers. Grab some small white sprinkles. Use a large paintbrush to paint the front of the gingerbread house with the light blue melted chocolate. Spread it across the entire gingerbread piece evenly. Sprinkle with some white sprinkles across the bottom. Paint all of the remaining gingerbread house pieces, adding the white sprinkles after you paint each side. Adding the sprinkles while the chocolate is soft will help them stick. Place a piece of parchment on a cutting board and draw 1-inch circles across the paper. Cover with another clean piece of parchment. Fill a paper cone with blue melted chocolate and fold the cone closed. Pipe the chocolate circles on the parchment, making each circle slightly smaller than your circle guide. Gently tap the cutting board to help the chocolate flatten. Set the chocolate aside to harden. Place a clean piece of parchment on a new cutting board. Use the same melted chocolate to pipe icicles. These do not have to be perfect or uniform. Icicles are all different in real life too. Sprinkle the icicles with some McCall's silver dragees. That's a fancy word for round sprinkles. Get your McCall's white royal icing, a large plastic piping bag, a straight piping tip, and a coupler. Grab your gingerbread house side pieces as well as the chimney piece and some window pane pretzels. Pipe royal icing on the sides of each window, then press a pretzel into the icing. These are your window shutters. Use a small straight tip to pipe lines across the chimney, making it look like bricks. All these little details are what will make your gingerbread house really spectacular. Set the pieces aside to dry. Trace the star on the gingerbread house with royal icing and then sprinkle with more small silver dragees. Stick the royal icing wreath on the house as well. Put some thick royal icing on a large square cake board and spread it across the board, covering it completely. The icing looks like snow, but it will also be the glue that holds your house up. Grab all your gingerbread house pieces. Pipe royal icing across the bottom and sides of the gingerbread. Don't be afraid to use extra icing, as it will just make the house stick together better. Press the back of the house and the sides onto the board, connecting the two pieces at a 90-degree angle. Add some extra royal icing at the corner where the two pieces meet. The icing will dry hard and keep your gingerbread house secure. It also just tastes really good. Attach the remaining gingerbread house pieces using the same technique. Attach the door to the front of the house. Pipe royal icing around the top edge of the entire house and then press the roof on the top. Sandwich the chimney together with icing. Top the chimney with some snowy icing and sprinkles and attach it to the roof. Your house is now assembled. Time to decorate some more! Grab your blue chocolate circles and start decorating the roof. Pipe a royal icing line across the bottom of the roof. Attach the chocolate circles to the royal icing, overlapping the circles slightly. Continue adding the chocolate circles until the entire roof is covered. Pipe royal icing over the point of the roof and decorate with large silver dragees. Use a small paper cone to pipe chocolate details onto each roof tile. Sprinkle with the small silver dragees for a perfect sparkly touch. Use your royal icing to make white icicles across the roofline of your gingerbread house. Press your blue chocolate icicles into the icing as well. Add some fun figures and decorations around your house to make it even more exciting. We added a Santa, a candy cane Christmas tree, some snowy evergreen trees, and a lamppost to decorate our board. Stick a candy cane onto each corner of the house, once again using your royal icing as glue. Your elaborate gingerbread house is now complete. Wasn't that fun? If you want to make this amazing gingerbread house yourself, head over to McCall's.ca where you can find all the supplies you need. Once your house is done, take a picture and tag us at Love McCall's. For more baking and pastry tips and tricks, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and give us a like and a follow on Facebook. We are always posting new videos that will help you make amazing desserts. We'll see you next time!